What's going on, Mixon Nights? I got a new product to show you. I'm gonna install this on my Tesla today. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the push notifications, and make sure you share this video with anyone who's looking to upgrade their car. Now, you may notice I already have a multimedia screen in the back of my car right now. We're gonna replace that with this new multimedia entertainment screen, matter of fact, today. So that being said, if you want to purchase your own, we do have a sale going on right now. Well, Honcho has a sale going on right now, and you save 30% off with my code MIXONITE. All right, so let's see what's in the box real quick before we get started. I already pre-opened it, or opened the plastic thing. Anyway, you got some instructions here, got some more instructions here. Bam, boom. And this is the part I have not taken out yet. Let me get it without breaking it. Almost. Oh, I got it. All right, so we got this here. This looks like the multi-screen. Well, it feels like it anyway. And I am correct. So we got this. Ooh, it's nice and shiny. Looks brand new. There you go. And then from here, we got a couple more things in here. The wiring harness, another wiring harness, some pry tools, and some gloves. So we are going to get professional here. So let's go ahead and install this in my Tesla Model Y. First things first, you want to make sure you disable the power to your Tesla. Unplugging the battery isn't necessary. Simply select control, safety, and power off. Since I had a multimedia system pre-installed, the installation will be fairly fast. In fact, it only took me no longer than 10 minutes. It may take you about 20 if you're installing from scratch. Remove the faceplate by pulling it towards you. Unlatch any wires to fully disassemble the existing faceplate. Use your pry tool at the bottom so you can unscrew 2 screws. From there, pull the centerpiece towards you, unplugging the blue wire. Grab your wire harness and connect it to the blue plug. It can only go in one way, so you can't mess this up. From here, it is fairly simple because I already had power running to my passenger seat. If you are unfamiliar with this install, select the card in the top right corner and watch this step. Other than that, simply plug and play. Then plug in the remaining wire into your new display. Plug in the center portion first, then replace the screws at the bottom, and then tap the covering back into its place. Attach the necessary plugs and then reattach the faceplate. Pull off the screen protector and you are ready to go once you apply the power back to your car by placing pressure onto the driver's seat. You can still control the temperature in the back, and you can still control the passenger front seat. If you have a Bluetooth headset, you can connect an all-new experience with movies and also games. This would be ideal for road trips or anyone wanting to play Android games from the Play Store. You will need to connect a hotspot to do this, but most phones right now, they come with them. The rear entertainment systems are perfect for those who want to disconnect from the conversation or rear passengers in general. I actually wish I had someone to drive me around. If you are sitting bored in your vehicle, you can load the games you actually want to play onto the device if it's available. This one right here isn't available. This is a great addition to your Model Y and also 3, and you can save 30% right now if you use my code MIXONITE. While this is hot, take advantage of it. If it's not what you're looking for, Honcho have a plethora of devices you can install on your device right now. Other than that, I hope this video was helpful. If so, smash the like button and also share it with your club. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.